Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use API widget to integrate data from important sources, such as PubMed. The Labii API widget is a user-friendly tool, designed to simplify the process of integrating third-party APIs with Labii databases. Unlike traditional APIs that require coding skills, the Labii API widget can be used by researchers and lab personnel, who do not have a coding background. PubMed is a vast biomedical literature database, which contains millions of publications from around the world. In order to showcase the usage of Labii API widget, I will be demonstrating how to use the PubMed API to pull paper information into a Labii database. In order to get started, you will need to add a column with API widget, and configure it to parse the JSON data received. First, we will add a column for storing journal information. Next, we will add a column for storing PubMed. The API widget will be used here. The parameters displayed in the screen will be used to configure the base URL, save the title of the article into the name field, and save the source as a journal. Based on the configuration of the PubMed column, we can now pull data from PubMed. With one click, we will download the paper's title and update the record's name. We will also download the source paper and update the column in the journal. Click the Get button of PubMed column to update the name and the journal. Once completed, you will see the title of the paper, as well as the journal of the paper. You can also configure the API widget to pull down other information like authors, pages. That's it for the API widget. The Labii API widget is a powerful tool that allows researchers and lab personnel to easily integrate third-party APIs with their Labii databases. With the API widget, users can automate the process of populating data into columns, enabling them to quickly and efficiently access data from external sources. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.